Hello, my name is Emily Lookoff. I'm here with Glee. Today I'll be going over Activity 2, Transmitting LunaSat Data from Module 9, Radio Frequency Communication. In summary, this activity teaches telemetry fundamentals by walking teams through using the temperature sensor to trigger transmissions of LunaSat data. We will use a sketch that combines code from the temperature sensor with the code from the previous activity to make the LunaSat transmit temperature data when it exceeds a determined threshold. The materials and code needed. For this activity you will need 2 LunaSats, 2 FTDI chips and a set of jumper cables, a computer, and the Activity 9.2 worksheet transmitting LunaSat data to follow along in. The code you will need are sketches RF transmit temperature and RF receive. The location of these is File Examples Glee 2023 Module Sketches Module 9 RF. Step 1. Plug in your LunaSat. Plug in your transmitting LunaSat from Activity 1 into the computer. Step 2. Upload RF transmit temperature sketch. Open RF transmit temperature sketch. On line 5, edit the ID to the last 2 digits of your team's number. Upload this code to your LunaSat. Give it a minute to upload. Next, determine the temperature threshold. Open the serial monitor. Record the room temperature. For me, it is 74.36. Place your finger on the TMP117 sensor on the back of the LunaSat and record the max temperature reached. This minus 3 to 5 degrees will be your next threshold for the next step. So we'll watch the serial monitor. Enter your determined temperature threshold on line 20. This should be the max temperature when in contact with your finger, minus 3 degrees. So you will go here, temperature threshold. Verify and re-upload the sketch. Confirm transmission logic. Open the serial monitor for your transmitting LunaSat. Confirm that it's not transmitting when the observed temperature is beneath the threshold. Place your finger on the TMP117 sensor and observe the temperature change. Confirm that the transmitting message appears when the temperature exceeds the threshold. Next, reconnect the receive LunaSat. Plug your receive LunaSat from Activity 1 into the computer. It should already have the receive sketch on it from Activity 9.1. Launch the serial monitor for the receive LunaSat. Launch the serial monitor with the receive LunaSat's port selected. Confirm that no transmissions are received. Place your finger on the transmitting LunaSat's temperature sensor. Watch for reception of temperature data. Don't worry about the RSSI printout. We'll talk about that in our next activity. Congratulations on completing Activity 2, Transmitting LunaSat Data for Module 9 RF Communication.